Experiencing power problems with your Lenovo docking station? This often manifests as slow charging, not charging errors, or device instability. The primary causes usually involve USB-C power delivery (PD) and power adapter mismatches. First, ensure your dock supports your laptop's power needs. For example, a ThinkPad X1 Carbon needs at least 90 watts. Inspect your USB-C cable. Use certified cables with eMarker chips to ensure full PD support, avoiding cheaper cables that may limit power to 60 watts. In many instances, outdated firmware is the culprit, so always begin by updating the dock's firmware using Lenovo System Update or Lenovo Vantage. After updating, restart all devices to reset power negotiations. Also, check the power adapter itself. Ensure that the correct adapter, e.g. 135 watts, is plugged into the dock and not a lower wattage one. Finally, access your laptop's BIOS settings to confirm that PD charging is enabled. If basic troubleshooting fails, monitor your USB-C port for electromagnetic interference using appropriate monitoring tools. Lenovo's newer docks now include better error reporting via Lenovo Vantage, which logs PD failures for diagnostics. Recent advancements like GaN adapters enhance power efficiency and reduce heat, minimizing power drops. Check Lenovo's support website for case studies related to your specific dock model. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven diagnostics to predict PD failures within the Lenovo ecosystem. The USB Implementers Forum's future PD 4.0 specification may enable even higher power delivery, reducing reliance on proprietary adapters. For persistent problems, contact Lenovo support for hardware replacement under warranty, and always reference your product documentation to ensure proper usage.